Have you ever wondered how solar panels transform from simple raw materials into advanced machines that produce clean energy? Hello, friends. I'm taking you inside a modern solar panel production factory. From automated assembly lines for solar cells to layering processes, quality testing, and final packaging. See how cutting-edge technologies like robots and precise controls create high-efficiency panels that are changing the future of energy. This video isn't just educational, it's a glimpse into how the green industry is saving the world. If you enjoy it, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next ones. Ready for the factory tour? Let's dive in.